Literally known as the abode of clouds, Meghalaya is a hilly state landlocked between Assam and Bangladesh, abounding breathtaking scenic beauty coupled with a bracing climate. The name Meghalaya means abode of clouds in Sanskrit. It is also known as the Scotland of the East. Meghalaya has abundant rainfall and sunshine around the year and is considered to be one of the richest botanical habitats in Asia. Mawlynnong, a small village which is known as the cleanest village in Asia, is situated in the East Hills district of Meghalaya. It is fondly called God's own garden due to its unspoiled beauty and wonderful people. Dawki is a town in Meghalaya located in the Indo-Bangladesh border. The river Umngot flows in the village Mawlynnong Dawki at the bottom of the Jaintia Hills and is very closely attached to the border of India and Bangladesh. The river is said to be the cleanest in Asia. And to know more about the Dawki river, please click on the link given in the description box below. This is the international border between India and Bangladesh, very close to River Dawki. Bangladesh and India share a 4,096 km long international border, the fifth longest land border in the world. This long border in India touches Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya and West Bengal. East.Shillong is a hill station in northeast India and is the capital of the state of Meghalaya. Shillong is the Scotland of the East because the rolling hills around the town reminded the British of Scotland. On a cloudy day, the mist-laden pastures look nothing less than a paradise. It has a landscape which is beautiful with rolling and sky-soaring hills restored with lush greenery. It is a picturesque city that is famous for many things. It is a hill station surrounded by beautiful waterfalls, lakes and peaks. Shillong is famous for music, its unique culture and cheerful people. Hence, it is known as the rock capital of India. We all might have had momos in other places, but the best momos in India are only made in Meghalaya. You will get it at any food stall in the state, that too in the same big round shape, texture and size. As for the filling, they do substantial stuffing with whatever you like, boiled vegetables, pork or chicken. Known to have originated in Tibet, thukpa is a broth-like delicacy prepared with flat noodles and meat or locally available veggies and is most commonly eaten during the chilly winter months.
Yeah. All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. With first station, that's how I'm living. With it till they digging up my brain. Eating all the things up on my plate. face when I step up in the place. I was born.
When you're touring through the valleys of Shillong, be prepared to stumble upon random glistening waterfalls, especially if you're visiting in the monsoon season. Situated in Dawki, near the Indo-Bangladesh border, Bophill Falls is an unpopular yet extremely beautiful waterfall in Meghalaya. On the way to Dawki, you can find many waterfalls, and in fact in Meghalaya, there are numerous waterfalls. Bophill Waterfall is one of the best waterfalls in India-Bangladesh border. For all nature lovers, it is a must visit when you are in around Shillong. About 90 kilometers from Shillong in the East Hills of Meghalaya lies a small village, Mawlynnong. Though it is small, it has a big impact in the world. Mawlynnong is called God's own garden and has enough reasons for that. It was awarded the cleanest village in Asia by Discover India in 2003. Cleanliness must be the most important aspect, but it has achieved so much more than that. The weather in this village is pleasant all throughout the year. Still, the best time to visit is in the monsoon. During the rainy season, the village and its surroundings become lush green and thus turn absolutely picturesque. Cleanliness is a way of life in Mawlynnong village. That's not all. Mawlynnong gets its own manure, which is converted from the garbage dug into a pit.
Right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long
A major landmark of Mawlynnong village, the Church of Epiphany, which is 100 years old structure that still holds an old world charm. This village is mainly inhabited by Khasi tribe, the famous tribe which has left behind the patriarchal rule of the society. Here, the children of the family get their mother's surname and the wealth is passed down from the mother to the youngest daughter of the family. The village has proper drain pipes, concrete roads and is filled with trees, shrubs and flowers, which all adds to the beauty of Mawlynnong village. The residents recycle water, have banned smoking and use of plastics and are maintaining clean toilets inside their homes. No vehicles are allowed inside the village. Tourists have to stop at the parking area and pay a parking fee, and this parking fee is used for payment of those who clean the village. The waste is collected in dustbins that is made of bamboo, directed to a pit and then used as manure. As you walk through the village, you can see dustbins made of bamboo in front of every house and corner of the road.
how could you ever love me? You don't even see me. I'm hanging around, wasting time, hoping that you drop by. And I don't pretend to know what you want. I don't even know where to start, but I'm willing to try. Even if you push me under, it's only gonna make me stronger. It's only gonna feed my hunger. Say the words, say the words. Even if the tide stops turning.
Shillong Peak will offer a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire city, an experience that simply cannot be missed.
Watching the flames burn higher, setting my world on fire. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide, risking it all on you. And I don't pretend to know how you feel. Either you want
Police Bazaar of Shillong is a famous shopping haunt which is on the priority list of all locals as well as tourists. It's a modern market that has a number of hotels, shops and eating joints catering to varied needs of every visitor. Khasi and Jaintia cuisines are the most popular of the many varieties that one can sample in this place. Here they are making the khaki roll, which is a street food dish originating from Kolkata, West Bengal. It was really superb. If you liked our video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on the all notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more of Meghalaya. Thank you.